We have this nice tool in the Magic Bullet suite called Magic Bullet Mojo. And again, if I just apply the effect, it just is like, it's like MSG for your image. Like it just makes it taste better. And you don't have to do a lot. You know, this is the Mojo preset, but there's this light preset here that is just this subtle, you know, this like it just like increases color contrast and just kind of punches up the image. Editors love this tool for just, I don't know where this footage came from, and my client is coming in 5 hours and I just need to make it all look good. It's not the final color correction, but it's going to look great. But also I've seen many professional colorists just apply a light mojo at the end of their process to just add a little pinch of flaky salt at the just before the plate, you know, is served to the customer. So the point is here that it's meant to be the last step in your process. It's meant to be whatever your source footage was, whether it was video or log, and we have Log Pro and Mojo to handle if you've shot on some sort of extremely low contrast log source like Arri Alexa. It's whatever in and video out.